Let me share my screen. Guys, I will show you how you can access this platform, free access this platform. I will show you later. Now let me start the lab here. This is basically your platform that you can do the free access. You can practice the lab free. Okay. And we talk about the Docker. We are talking about the Docker. So on that part I will start. So what is the purpose of the lab? First, let me know you. The theory that you just read, the things you just know about the Docker. So that part I will show you. That part I will show. You can even use the EC2 instance. Who uses Amazon or have the account in the AWS? You can launch as the EC2 instance and you can work on that. You can practice on that. So the guys who have the EC2 instance, first update. You have to update. Then you have to update the system. What system? EC2 instance. That system you need to first update after launching. This is the first part. How you will update? When the EC2 instance launch, when you come to the CLI, just do sudo apt. I will clear all the comments, so don't worry about that. Just concentrate here only now. Okay, I repeat, I will share all the things to you. That is why I'm asking your details. So when your ECT is launched, when the CLI is active, you are able to type. First, you update the system. Anytime, first time when EC2 instance is launched, you need to first update the instance. You need to update the system first. How you will do that? Sudo apt hyphen get hyphen space update. Okay, it will not work here because the system is updated and this is a different system. This is not any virtual machine. Okay, it has the cluster. We are inside a cluster, so that is the reason it will not update like a system. Then you need to install the Docker. First, what you have done, I'm writing here for you. I'm just writing here for you. Suppose you are using VM, right? EC2 instance or any instance through your cloud instances, through your cloud. Okay, means maybe it is from AWS, maybe GCP, or maybe Azure. So you launches any instance. You came to the CLI part. Then first part is that you have to update the system. How will do? Just run the command. Guys, no need to worry. I will share all the things with you. Second, what you have to do, you have to install the Docker. And whenever you will install, it automatically install the latest version of the Docker. Version is the impact. Version is the important matter that helps sometimes. Okay, so version automatically take the latest one. How we will do that? Sudo apt hyphen get install Docker that we can run. Okay, that is one point. That way we can update it. I can we can install it. Okay. Otherwise, another comments there, that is sudo apt install docker.io. So it directly hit the Docker hub, okay? And from there, it will install the Docker. There is nothing to explain. This is only the syntax we are using. So just see how the things happen. So we install Docker in my system. So first what we did, if you have the VM, EC2 instance or any VM, can you mute? Please guys, when I am talking, mute yourself. Otherwise, others member not able to get all the point. So first point, you update the system. When you install launches the instance, first update the system, then install the Docker. In my system, I install Docker. Now, first what you will do, guys, first what you will do, check the version. What you will check? Version. You install the Docker. Now the point is check the version. You just write here, you just type Docker version. What you will write? Docker version. So that means 2 point here. Here you can understand 2 point. The yeah, your Docker is installed. That is why it is showing your version. And what is the version you are using that you will show. Now, what we have the version 24.0.7. You can write sudo su. Can anyone tell me what is this?
Super user.
Okay, so what is the purpose of super user?
Get admin access. Anything you can do, other normal user can do.
Okay,
Yeah, root privilege, correct.
so we have sudo su. Su means super user. Now, so I have taken that. Now, what is the purpose? Why we come to the lab? Why we come to the lab? Tell me. Tell me,
For better
guys.
understanding hands-on.
For creating container with the help of Dockerfile.
Yes, exactly that, guys. Main purpose here, Docker system, that we are creating the applications, we are creating the container, right? So this is our main purpose. Now that we'll see how we can create the container. Anyone ever see any container? Yes or no?
Yes.
How it look like?
Mm,
I'm not telling about the container that we see in the market or somewhere else, right?
yes.
So how it looks like? Who will tell me? Now Guys, just focus here. Now, we'll create container. Okay. So what is the thing happening here? What is the thing happening here? So for creating container, what things we require? Anyone tell me?
Image.
Image require. Okay, fine. Another thing?
Config file.
Dockerfile.
Yes,
Library.
exactly. Dockerfile we require. Now, so these are the two elements that we require to make containers. So first we'll do, first we'll work, first guys will work with the image. Okay. So we'll use the image, use the Docker engine, and then build a container. So that part we'll do fast. Any doubt? Any any query here? Hey guys,
No.
No,
No.
no, no.
wait.
Clear.
So we'll image to container. That will do fast. Where I will get the image, guys? Tell me where I will get the image. Mm,
We
Docker
can
Hub.
get it Docker Hub
Docker
from
Hub.
Docker Hub.
Docker Hub.
okay, great. Now let me take fast in my Docker ecosystem. I am inside the Docker ecosystem now, right? And as you know, the Docker Hub may be public or private. If I have images inside this Docker ecosystem, means it is private. Okay. But I can pull from outside, means from public. That also possible. So now let me take any image we have in our Docker ecosystem or no. So I will check. Anybody? Anyone?
Docker image ls.
Anyone tell me?
We can pull Docker it image from ls.
No, we can type Docker image. It show if it is any image is available in local or not.
No. See, this is your repository. This is your own repository, right? But we don't have any image. To check we have any image or not, you can directly put the Docker images. Okay. Docker images. So you can directly put the Docker images to check that image is present or not. So guys who don't have any images in our system, right? What we'll check, what we checked already, we checked that Docker images, but we did not find anything. Is that now?
Okay.
Yeah. Now what image we want? Suppose we want to take Ubuntu, we want to take any image like uh, Alpine, we want to take a busybox. These are the image name. Okay. So, like in the telecom, we have some terminology like the uh, 2G, BTS, microwave. As example, I'm just giving some hint to you. So, similar way, images have few names. Okay, that we don't know. All the things we don't know. I don't know. Okay. As example, busybox, Alpine, uh, Radish, Ubuntu, CentOS. These are some images name. So you have to know some image name. And obviously, when you will work on the production environment, So you get to know what image you need, right? Like what script you will run that you know in your telecom. So similar way, when you will work in the productions, so you will get to know what image you need for your applications, right? So no worries about that. Now, as example, let me take some image. How I can take the image? Anyone? How we can take the image from the hub? Please.
With
Pull
Docker
images.
Pull.
Pull it from there. Pull images.
Yeah, obvious. Pull, say Alpine. Alpine I am taking. Let's do it. Okay. So we are not getting Alpine here. Now let me take some other things. Busybox. Okay. It has taken the busybox. So just note down what image I pulled. Busybox I pulled. Okay. Now let me try with another image. Centos. Cent with. You can say cent with. So I am taking the image from outside. Let's take two the images first.
Outside means are these images not in our hub? In
Yeah,
the
that we check, right? We don't have any images in our in here inside our.
NGS. Okay.
Yes.
Then
Okay.
how it is connected in our client and Docker Hub?
No, it is just pulling outside to the internet only. I
Oh,
showed you. I showed you
oh,
the diagram.
oh,
I don't know
yeah.
you notice or not. So I just showed
Mhm.
the diagram. Now,
It means
now,
it's always connected to public hub, right?
yeah, of course, of course. Now,
Okay.
let us take what images we have here. We already pulled the two images, busybox and cento. So these two images, it's visible to you. It is giving us, right? Yes, no, nice.
Yes, yes.
Yes, yes, yes.
Now, so we have pulled the images. I pulled the two images. Okay, what I pulled? I pulled the two images. Now, regarding the image pulling, anyone have any issue? Let me know.
No, it is clear.
Great. Now,
No, no.
we
When you pull the images, actually where it is stored in the local hub means in our hub.
yes, yes, in your ecosystem, guys.
Mm,
You
Diamond, right?
no, Daimon is your host. Daimon is your host. See, Daimon is your host. See, this is one cluster, right? You you take this from outside, and in your cluster, in your system, it's already have a store. In your system, it have a store to store the image. This is your local hub or local repo, right? It is taking
Okay.
outside. The white box, it is your system. When you making pool, if it is inside, so it will show you that it is inside. If it does not have, so it will take from outside and it is directly connected to the internet. You no need to worry about that. That's why it's ecosystem, right? You don't need to worry about that. Now guys, what we'll do, so we have image now. So the first point, we are ready with image. This part is, we have the image part. Now we pull that image. Now we will use the Docker engine, okay, to make the container. Now let's work with the container. How we'll do? This is only syntax. No need to worry about that. When you will get the product into the production environment, it will be ready for you to just execute. So fast container. Before that, who will make container? Guys, anyone?
Image.
No, what I'm asking. Before.
Docker engine will make.
Docker engine.
Okay. So my point is that before that, anyone built any container? I know Rajendra, you built up a container. I know that. Apart from Rajendra, anyone?
Yeah, I did it earlier.
Okay, great. First container on flag. Okay. Just 1 minute. One moment. Huh? What is throwing? Docker response from D1 failed to create the container. Okay, OCI runtime. Can anyone tell me what is OCI?
That init is required because it is terminal, right? In something like that, right?
Something like what?
After run, -it is there.
Hmm.
Interactive terminal.
Right.
OCI means open container image.
Yes, that's correct. So what we'll do here? Anyone? Guess what is the wrong here? Anyone can tell me what is the wrong here we have?
I think before we run that Docker run command, we need to build the Docker container or Docker image.
No, image we have already, guys. We already see
Okay.
what we have done. We have
Might
just
be the
pulled it.
naming box.
We have just pulled down the images, right? We just pulled down the
Okay.
images. So no need to worry about this image. We have that images, guys. Anyone can tell me?
Do you need tag particular image?
Yeah, we are tagging there. You can see.
Yeah.
For tagging, only T is required, right?
Mhm, mhm. So till the image pooling, it is okay, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Now guess. Now try to understand what we have here. Guys, please think. Guys, please think. Guys, say something.
Actually, I think you previously you just mentioned that image pulling from binder oblique bash, but this file was not there. That's why it is spelling.
Hmm? Okay, okay, good, good. But where is image there? Where we have the image now?
Image is now in local.
Yeah, so in your local system, right? And where it's
Hmm.
stored? Where the image stored?
It's control plane mentioned.
It
We need
represents.
sequence.
Cache,
Hmm?
cache memory.
No,
Now
not
we can do
yet.
PWD and find out their directory now.
Oh no, that is not in cache memory. Now try to find out. Just think about that. What you can find here. Think.
Okay, that bin bash directory, right?
Yeah, of course. This is a this is a path where your image basically okay. Now one moment. See what happens. Guys, you actually not able to identify the error. Guys, number one that I have put it I just put the container where this is the path bean slash bash. I put it the container here. And what is my container? This is my container ID. It's created, but you can this is my container. You can see. Can you see that? See,
Hmm.
guys, container ID. So whenever any objects or any resource create in the cluster, it automatically takes a ID, right? So that is the identity of that particular resource. This is my container ID, and one container ID is that I use the busybox image. You can see just 2 minutes back, okay, and name of the container is trusting reaching. Another container I created with the slash bin slash bash that back 6 minutes. Okay, the container ID is this, and it is created, and the name of the container is Interesting Perlman. Now, these are the containers created. So, how you did that? Again, I am telling. Okay. That's why you creating your container. Docker pull image, that done. Creating container using images that you already have. What you did? Okay. Now, again, I am showing. What image we have, guys? Hello,
busybox.
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 Apart from that, what image we have? CentOS, right? Yes, no?
CentOS.
Yes.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Now, I am creating another container with the image CentOS. Now, let me check. And whenever, for your information, guys, for your information, whenever the container executes smoothly, the container builds smoothly, you automatically log into the container. In this case, Docker run space hyphen it hyphen your image, sorry, space your image space slash bin slash bash. These comments are done to create container from the image CentOS. Whenever container create, you can log in directly. Sometimes you log in directly to the container. Here, in this scenario, I log into the container directly. Can you see that? This is your container ID. Guys, this is your container ID. I will show you. I will show you the things here now. See, I'm exiting from the container. Is that okay? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. Now, as you can see, we are again created another container with the image CentOS. Is that okay? Now, CentOS container we created just about a 1 minute. Just about a 1 minute. Okay. And the container ID is 8E3F4238B8EF. You can see, you getting my points or not? How you can check the active container in your system. -A means active. Okay. Yes, no.
Yes,
Yes.
yes.
Take container. Yes. You can say resource. Okay, or object. I will do that. Simply type docker space ps -a. It will show your active resources. Now, so how many container we have now?
Two
Three.
container.
Three.
Two
With the
container.
with the
Three,
busybox
three.
with the busybox we created two container. One,
Three container.
two, and now CentOS we use create a new container. Till this point, how you are creating container? Any problem? Any issue? Any doubts? Raise your hands, guys.
No.
See now
Is it possible any tagging for the particular container?
what tagging you want?
Means any naming we can give it for that?
Yeah, that possible. That possible. Now what I'm doing, see here.
one query is that there is the two directories are showing as one is bin oblique slash, another is sh. Why?
Okay, I will tell you now. See this
Mhm,
point. See this point now. The CentOS
mhm.
image that we use for making the container. Now we are starting this. Now we are starting this. That means that means what it is coming? It is coming that we make the container live now. See, creation is another thing. Suppose you created your cell, but the cell is locked. Now we are make it live. How? Docker start. Start means you are starting the container. So now container will starting the things doing. Now you can put the application. You can run the applications here to start container. Now coming to the Amit point. Here query. Guys, see here. Here query in the comment slash bin slash bash sh again slash bin slash bash. So Amit queries is why we have sh here. See, the two container I have created with the Docker run hyphen it image name slash bin slash bash. Okay. So I put the path here that we have a win folder, we have a win directory. In the win directory, inside that we have a